What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman Academy YouTube channel. Today, very quick video. Can you use dish soap on an applicator to wash windows in the heat? Let's find out. So yes indeed, we're going to have a go on this window using dish soap on a saturated applicator with nothing added to the bucket. It's just going to be pure water in the bucket with a bit of dish soap on the washer, and we're going to clean this window. This window has been in the heat pretty much all day, and we're experiencing quite a heat wave here in the UK at the moment. Temperatures ranging between 30 and 40 degrees Celsius, so very, very hot weather. So we're going to test this out, as I've had a couple of comments, concerns from people stating that this method won't work in the heat. So let's find out. Let's go crack on. So you can see here we've got a bucket of water, and it's literally, there's nothing else in it. There's no additives, there's no glass gleam or anything like that to try and get the water to stay wetter longer, anything like that. It's just pure water that's there. And we're going to use a bit of dish soap. This particular one is Fairy Liquid, but you can use whichever dish soap you've got that's available. Okay, so what we're going to do is dunk our washer into the bucket first. So here we have the Unger Ninja washer. I'm going to dunk that in just like that. Get our dish soap and apply a little bit on there, one line of soap on there, and one line of soap on there, as I normally would. Now, if the window is really big, then what you have to do is wash it in sections. So if this was all one big window, you might have to wash half of that side and then wash and squeegee the other half. But obviously this is broken up into two separate panes, so I'll be able to wash and squeegee this pane in the one go. The key really is to do it relatively quickly in the heat. If you're changing tools relatively slowly or you're not particularly quick, then yes, the solution will dry out quite quickly. So speed is the key here. So just taking my saturated applicator, wash the window, and my squeegee is in my right hand ready to go. So I'm not having to change tools in between. My squeegee is ready to go, so that as soon as I'm finished washing the window, then I'm starting to squeegee the window. And that is the key. If you put away your applicator and then go and grab your squeegee, then you will find it'll start to dry. And you could even hear there that it was already starting to dry, and that's with a saturated applicator. So that is the key. Make sure your applicator is really saturated with water and have your tools at the ready to be efficient and quick. So I'll do that again. Now the squeegee rubber is primed this time, so it should be a little bit more slippy than the first one. There we are, so that's two. Let's do another one. See how many times we can wash this window in the heat. It's a very, very hot day. We've had red and amber warnings in the UK for the heat wave that's hit the UK at the moment. Temperatures similar to the likes of Australia. So there's 3 times. Try again. So just checking here to see how many windows we can get out of one application. So you can see there the squeegee is doing the job straight after I've washed the window. So as soon as you come to the window, applicator out, squeegee out, ready to go. Now obviously if you're up a ladder, then you can't do this. You have to just be very, very quick changing your tools over. There's not much you can do there because you want to keep one hand on the ladder and one hand on your tools, but obviously in that instance just be as quick as you can. But there you go. It is pretty hot at the moment, like we're not used to this kind of heat in the UK. So you can see how many times if I clean this window now on one dunk of the applicator. So if you're concerned that using soap on the applicator won't work, then there you have it. It does work. You just have to be relatively quick, have your tools at the ready. So again, if you've got big windows, just remember to do it in stages. Perhaps do the top half first and then the bottom half, or do the left hand side then the right hand side, just to break it down. Because if you soap up the whole window and try and squeegee the whole window down on a big pane, you'll probably find that the bottom half will dry out before you've squeegeed it. So there you have it, folks. Applying soap directly to the applicator in heat is doable. You can wash windows. You just have to be a little bit quicker make sure you got your tools at the ready, and make sure your applicator is really well saturated with water. If it's too dry, then yes, it will become too soapy and dry and it won't work very well. So that's the key, a very wet applicator with soap on there, and it works perfectly fine. Hopefully that video has been of use to you and helpful for you today. Remember to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe, really appreciate it. You take care, be good, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.